Hi, I'm Nick McDaniel.
I'm Liz Power. We are with Results Real Estate Solutions, and we've got an awesome home to show you today.
We're out here at 302 Brenda Street in Decatur, just off Central Parkway. Why don't you come take a look inside?
Wow, Nick, you weren't kidding. This is a beautiful, beautiful living space. Don't you love it?
It's a great living space. I love how open the floor plan is here.
Big high ceilings, and is that a gas burning or a gas fireplace?
That's a gas fireplace.
Gas fireplace. All right, let's check out the rest.
Liz, isn't this a great dining space?
It really is. I like the natural light coming in, and it's right off the living room. I think this house has a pretty good flow. What do you think?
It has a great flow. I really like this house. I think you're gonna love it too. Come on, let's take a look at the kitchen.
Awesome. All right, this is a pretty cute kitchen, don't you think?
Definitely is a cute kitchen.
I really like the amount of cabinet space. What you guys need to understand about this awesome kitchen is there's plenty of space to move around and prep your food, but there's just a lot of cabinet space in here.
There is.
I'm digging it.
You've also got a desk space right back here too to handle the bills, computer,
That's
whatever
pretty
you need.
useful. I like that. That's really cool.
I like it.
I can't wait to see the bedrooms.
Just check them out.
Awesome. Just make yourself comfortable.
I will.
Fantastic. So this is an amazing master suite. I just have to tell you guys, when you come in here, you're going to notice it's nice and spacious. You've got plenty of space for all your furniture, and it's got this awesome ensuite bath and a big walk-in closet. What more could you want? What more could you want?
Can't think of anything.
Awesome. Let's go see the others.
Hey, Joe.
Hey, buddy.
This is pretty awesome.
This is a great room. It could be a nice office space. It could be a bedroom. There's a lot of flexibility with this room here.
I agree. I think it's a really good space, and our camera guy is doing such a good job of showing off this amazing house, though he's not moving as fast as he was the other day.
All right, Liz, so we've got our third bedroom here. We've got 2 closets, lots of storage space. You could use this for a bedroom, workout room, whatever you need.
I love it. Let's go check out the yard.
Let's do it.
Okay, I love this.
Why?
I could have my very own she shed.
A what?
A she shed.
Wow.
I'm so excited about it.
Is that a thing now?
It's a thing. I think there's a commercial about a she shed.
Really?
Yes,
I love
absolutely. It's fantastic.
Awesome. So we've got your she shed, we've got the raised bed garden over here, we've got the patio. This place is great for barbecues, for entertaining. You've got plenty of space out here for hobbies.
I love it.
I like this house. It's a great price point as well.
Make sure you guys follow us on Facebook to see more awesome homes just like this one, and check us out online. Wow.
Where do we want to stand at?
Can we do that again?
No, that's the whole episode right there. Wow. That's
Wow.
It. Like, I won't even make the rest of the video. There you go.
Thank you. Okay, that was
For entertaining, yard work, hobbies.
pretty solid house all around.
I think so.
Like our page.
That's the thing I was trying. I blanked out. I'm so sorry. I literally just
Do you need me to
blanked
get
out.
that?
Oh my God. This is another great bedroom, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
And there's 2 closets?
Awesome.
Really, there's 2 closets there.
Oh my gosh. Yeah,
Okay.
you're Nick.
All right.
And action.
Oh.
Man, never making space for me. All right, this is an awesome master bedroom, isn't it?
It's a great master bedroom. We've got the master bath just on.
Start over.
Again.
No. Can you see us?
It works.
The dancing works.
Okay, that's great. You didn't even boogie with me. I can't believe you.